Hi gorgeous, today we are going to do hair transformation. Take a look at her hair, those dark roots have been growing out 2 inch and she dyed her hair about 3 months ago. Let's start by spraying K18 hair mist before the bleaching process. It helps protect the hair during the bleaching process. We are mixing Pharmacy Color B Diamond Powder Bleach with a 30 volume to lightening her entire hair of the scalp. So we can mixing slightly higher volume than 20 volume because we are not going to touch the scalp directly. The bleach density should be like thicker pancake batter. That'll be good. And we will be using 2 different highlight technique to lightening her hair. For the backside, we will be using the teasing method per section and apply the bleaching to each section. It's the best to make 1 to 1.5 inch to sectioning because it will be difficult to penetrate the hair if it's too thick. Otherwise, you will have trouble achieving an even base. We will repeat the teasing and bleaching until we reach the crown part, then switching the highlight close to the scalp to create a natural blending from the dark root to blonde at the top part. This is also help create a more natural dimension, making it look seamless and natural dark blonde. Oh my god, it's almost there. It's so much foil already, right? So keep repeating, same motion. And we definitely need to check after 45 minutes to ensure all parts are lightening evenly. Look at the yellow base between level 7 and 8. I already feel so much better. I love it. Let's talk about hair color. We will do color melt by mixing 2 different color bowls for the dark root and bleach hair. For the root, we will be mixing 6A and 6.22 from Pravana in 1:1 ratio with a 6 volume developer. For the rest of the hair, we will be mixing 6A and 6.22 from Pravana brand in a 1:1 ratio with a 0 volume developer. Look at this gorgeous natural ashy dark blonde with a dark dimension. It's not too light, it's not too dark. This is before the hair transformation. Looks so brassy and red. And this is after 6 hours later with a sohei. This color is so low maintenance, which is perfect for everyone. Love this natural ash dark blonde. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you.